tied the doggies up to the back because they're rather annoying and think that if you're driving up to somebody in the window, they get to say hi. So we've got like 3 cars, not a bad wait at the border, and we'll see how it goes.
I wish every border was as easy as going into Mexico. Just on delay. Get on in. These ones are a little more stressful for no reason really, but I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. Pig and Huck have been to 3 countries this year in 2022.
And Dan and I's first time here together. Isn't that special?
That is special.
Oh God. Guys.
5 minutes after we said goodnight to you guys, Pig literally dropped an enormous load. I don't know where that came from. She was outside all day.
In the van.
In the van.
In the van.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. She's never done that.
She's literally nowhere to be seen right now.
That was so naughty. She didn't even warn us, like whimper or anything. Oh my gosh, pull off at this. We gotta go. We gotta clean this up.
Piggy, why did you do that? Did you have to go that badly, Pig? Piggy.
Okay guys, so we were rudely awakened by somebody trying to steal our bikes about 45 minutes ago, and now we are going to drop the doggies off at a rover, and they're going to play with somebody else for a couple of nights while we go into the mountains. The dogs are a little excited. They don't really know what's going on, but they're going to have a lot of fun.
So we got to unpack our stuff. We've got amigos here. We've got amigos there.
The doggy drop-off went great.
Yeah, it feels better.
Wonderful couple.
Yeah, very good couple. Hopefully Pig is somewhat decent. Doesn't poop inside. We just met up with our friends and we drove 2 and a bit hours north of Squamish, and now we are all gearing up and we're gonna start walking into our hut.
My first time on a ski hut trip. It's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it. A lot of cool people here, and it's just awesome to be in Canada.
Alrighty, here starts the ski to the hut.
Me, Allie, and my mustache. I'm basically learning on this trip. Allie's taking the lead on telling me what to bring and everything, so it's been really valuable learning. The most challenging things I've done physically, and even more so mentally. I just got up here and Allie left me a really sweet message, so that's given me a push. Fortunately, we still got a ways to go. Oh my gosh, guys. We got the last little bit here, and now we're up in the part where there's avies. A lot of the times, I mean, it's not really much of a danger today from what I understand, but you can kind of see where the avalanches have come, where there's really buried trees and just the tips of trees poking through, and then other sections where there's full-on trees where obviously no avalanches come through. So I'm learning a lot. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. It's Allie Vondering, putting me through the ringer today.
I'm really proud of you.
What's that?
I'm really proud of you.
Oh my gosh, that feels good to hear.
It's all up to you.
I know. We just found the hut. I just got to the hut. We knew where it was the whole time. This has been one of the most mentally challenging things I've ever done. Which is really not that big of a thing, because it's pretty easy according to a lot of people. So anyways, we're there, thank gosh. There's Mr. Hut. Hi, Mr. Hut.
super lucky and it snowed all night last night, and it's still snowing, so the visibility is not great, but the skiing is. We have kept it to a super mellow slope just because the snow conditions are not that safe, so we just have quite an easy little hill out the back of the hut, and we are actually in a team of 15, which is not really recommended, but because we're doing something so chill, it's going great.
Okay, well, let's take this track up, go down for a lap. Today we have basically nothing in our bags but maybe an extra layer and a helmet, and it is so much easier to hike up these steep hills.
There's our hut right down there, if you can see it.
Said it was easier. Well, it's still really challenging. It was pushing me to my limits on this trip, but it feels really good to be out here trying something new and doing it with Allie. We are getting very close to the top. Here's Allie giving me the stink eye. Sorry, I'm vlogging again. Can't help it.
I am in my element. I am so happy.
Get to go with Allie. Oh God. Kind of like vlogging and driving. Not very smart.
Okay. Oh. Yeah.
Let's head down. Okay guys, we're gonna attempt to follow Cam. Allie's gonna follow me real close. I've never advised you to do that, but
Sorry.
okay, that happened.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I passed out.
So the beauty of doing this and going through all this work to get up here is we're basically in the middle of the Canadian, I don't know, not the Rockies, right?
No,
North
no.
Cascades.
This is the South Coast
Range.
I guess.
Out in the middle of nowhere, there's nobody else around, fresh tracks all day long. And then we get to go inside a warm, cozy, fun cabin with a bunch of Canadians. I mean, who doesn't love a gaggle of Canadians?
Who doesn't love a gaggle of them?
I feel like that's good for Canadians.
Yes.
So, babe, let's go inside.
Let's go warm up. You guys, this is probably one of the larger and fancier huts out here.
Seems really nice.
There is first off, the hut's huge. We'll show you that. But there is a covered walkway to the bathroom. Come on. It's its own little hut, but it smells like a bathroom. So I gotta put this up.
Give us a tour.
It's a little pit toilet. Bring your own toilet paper.
One of the best parts of skiing is definitely taking your boots off. The vloggers are back. We haven't vlogged in 12 hours, so we're like really raging to vlog right now. Time to score some points with Allie.
Yeah, so I'm currently being the one that's like the people that pose here.
Oh, nice. Oh, thank you.
Pointage, scoring points.
Like a multi-day
What
thing.
is it?
Soggy peanut butter and jelly tortilla. On the other side.
Oh, that's even worse. I've got mine right here, and it actually looks pretty appetizing.
I made breakfast and lunch for you.
Yeah, look
Yeah,
at
you
you,
did.
Susie Homemaker.
That's pretty nice. Wow.
But you, it's not the worst.
No, it's good. Really good,
It doesn't
actually.
taste as soggy as like fried.
It looks worse than it
That's
tastes.
true. You know, that
I
actually
believe
is a
that.
better
The
idea.
tortilla is probably the saving grace.
Yeah.
It is. Yeah, bread would, no.
It would be destroyed.
It's actually really smart.
You're so clever.
So smart.
I've done this before.
Yeah.
So just because we are going downhill does not mean anything about this is easy. It's a struggle with a heavy backpack, and it's not exactly just a straight up downhill.
Our time at the cabin has come to a close. We got like a foot of snow. Don't forget to buckle my helmet. Good call. Okay, so we're going downhill to the car. We're going downhill, but not really downhill. Miles made it look pretty damn easy. I was not expecting it to be. Well, it was 2 successful nights in the cabin, in the woods in the Canadian wilderness with a gaggle of Canadians. So, it's absolutely fantastic. Hopefully we can make it out. Oh my gosh, magnificent. It's so beautiful out here. I'm just trying to take it all in. At least 8 inches of fresh snow overnight. So nice out here. Okay, cabin. Bye-bye, cabin.
So we've got a small forest to go through. It's mostly downhill, but it's kind of a lot of ducking and weaving through the trees. And it's hard with a heavy backpack on, so there might be a few falls. But I think the key right now is to keep your speed.
Okay.
So, not that I don't want to wait for you, but I'm gonna...
So no vlogging while we go through here.
I'll vlog.
Okay. Be safe.
That's actually easy peasy. Very good snow. So now we're just gonna, it's very flat across this lake. We're just gonna kind of move slowly. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Covered in snowy covered trees and hills. We occasionally get like a little downhill push and then we have to walk up something. Dan is behind me. I feel like I should wait, but it's also nice to keep speed, so I'm sure he's doing fine. Here he comes. Here comes my sweetie. Keep your speed! Woo!
Smash that like button!
Excuse us. Oh God.
Sorry.
You're okay.
Sorry.
Okay, y'all, here's the trickiest section. Tight, steep tree section. It's kind of like a luge. Little icy. Got a little less snow in the forest, so it's tricky. We'll show you.
One slide at a time. I'll follow you.
Oh, that's officially my third fall. Who I thought I was gonna run into a tree. This is a character building activity.
Oh my goodness. This is the trailhead. That was so much easier than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Kiss for celebration. That was nice. Smash that like button, guys. Sorry. Okay, so just a easy little ski out, hopefully.
Hard to not smile when you're doing this.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong.
Okay, gang, we just got back to our van, our home, our tiny little cabin on wheels, and it feels really good to be accomplished what we accomplished these last couple days.
Yeah. I'm so glad that you finally came on your first hut trip.
It was a blast.
So fun.
And now we gotta go pick up the dogs, so we're gonna leave you guys here and see you in the next episode. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to smash that like button for us and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
See you next time.
Adios, guys.
Burn all bridges.